Well, hi there, this is Teng, and I'm in Singapore. This is Fung. This is a restaurant that we have in Southern California, and we found one here on this work trip. This is what they're famous for in Fung, Xiaolongbao. I'm not sure which version of this is, but this is a shrimp. This could be pork, it could be chicken. We ordered a bunch of food. But this is a fantastic restaurant. This is a famous Taiwanese cuisine. You've got everything here in Singapore. It's a melting pot of cultures in Southeast Asia. Excited to dig into this, and highly recommend Fung if you're ever in Singapore or in Southern California.